Welcome to the Changedom Experience. Reginal here. Thanks for tuning in for another Changedom creation for the 4th of July. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal and that they are endowed by the Creator with certain undeniable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. In my eyes, freedom is enjoying the liberty of living your best life. Love what you do what you love. You know what I said when you thought it. So, and now I want to go into the design that I made for the 4th of July, and I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. This design will be transferred to a black shirt, so I'll be using 3 different materials. Again, red, white, and blue. Now I'll put these designs together to create the ultimate design for this Independence Day, so you can see the potential outcome. Now look at it. This is going to be the design on this shirt. I hope you guys like it. Again, please like, share, subscribe, describe your idea of independence. So as we move along, and we're going to flip this design horizontally so it can read correct on the shirt, and then we're going to turn it. Then we're going to turn it vertically here so it can cut directly out of the material. Hope you guys got a good visual. So, and here we go. The actual material is already set into the Silhouette Cameo 3. We're going to send it as is again because it's all ready. Everybody out there celebrating 4th of July, have a good time, be safe, stay cool, and enjoy yourselves. Okay, so now that we got our design all cut out, I'm on these tools here to weed the design. This is the hook tool. So, and here we go. First design. So we're going to go back to the design page. And we're going to remove our red design that's already been cut out over. And we're going to bring our white design over. And you may not be able to see the white because it's white on white as the page is. But again, what we're going to do is flip this horizontally, then we're going to rotate it vertically. So everything sits right. Nice. Now we got the white put out. We're gonna go ahead and do the blue. And that's the last design. It's gonna make the design. It's gonna all come together. So of course we're gonna take this and flip it horizontally and then turn it vertically. Then we're gonna go ahead and send it as is. Third design. All right, now that our heat press is ready, we're gonna go ahead and set our shirt up and get the moisture out of the shirt right quick, so we can go ahead and transfer our designs one by one. And thanks for tuning in to the Changedom Experience. We really appreciate your time, checking it out, and seeing what it is that I do. So now that our designs are ready to be transferred, we're gonna start with the blue first, because the red goes on top of the blue, and the white's gonna outline it all. Our heat press is almost set, so we're gonna go ahead and transfer this blue on first, so we can put all the rest of the design onto it and around it. For the first press, 15 seconds. Let's go. All right, 15 seconds is up. Let's run it. Go and get this hot peel done real quick. Okay, perfect. Now for the red design to go on top of the blue, and use a heat transfer sheet. Go ahead and make sure the material doesn't burn. We're gonna do a second press for 15 seconds, and then we'll add the third design. Starting now. And we're gonna go for the red on the blue. I'm gonna do a quick hot peel for the reveal. And this white will complete our design. A little something for the 4th of July. We're gonna do one last press to make sure it all goes down evenly. I do want to say first and foremost, I'm grateful for the sacrifice these United States have made, and the freedom fighters, most importantly, that have allowed us this American Revolution. Happy 4th of July. Thanks for tuning into the Changedom Experience, and let me know in the comments how it is that you assert your independence.